Hello everyone, my name's Leviider and today we are going to unstock a cat carrier. It's completely fudged, so we must find a solution. My boot's already full of snow from traveling here because, well, I've been here before my bear crop. In proxy, that was not a pleasant idea. Felt like I was in friggin' Siberia, but we don't talk about Siberia in the Leviider Games channel. Okay, that's useless. As you see. What the useless? Or we could use a brick, but I don't want to break the cat carrier. I mean, this would work, but let's say. Actually, I'll pull this in my other hand. Here! It's weak. It's weak and ain't gonna do shit. Man, shit, that's sustaining my turn. Oh, it's like quicksand, but worse. But hey, there's a solid ground under this snow. It's like. The fuck? Okay, no, not that. Nope, that's cheating. Alright, here we go. Gentle viewers. Whoa! Holy sh. Well, I guess we're going this way. Let me look at me. And look at the big hole he made. This snow is not to be fucked with. Unless you're like me who wants to get rid of a friggin' cat carrier stuck in the friggin' snow. Unless you're like me, it is not to be fucked. Holy God. Damn it. Alright. Must travel through what is the fucking mud. I don't want to do it because it's bullshit. I mean, like if you saw me, hey, you crossed it. My hands, oh shit. Here we go, Act 2. Alright. I knew I forgot something while recording this. Oh, I knew I forgot something. As you know, my brain's full of shit. Oh boy. How do we do that? Wait, hold on. Here we go, in the snow, again, to retrieve my camera case. If you find this amusing, just like, subscribe, and click that notice. Alright, that's binding. It's binding. Of course, using a rusted tool is not a good idea. Don't do this at home where you will freaking die, I don't know. You might die. Alright. Old log splitter. Here's a view in the window. It's pretty nice, but that's not what we're here for. And that's what's in the fucking ice. It's just what we don't want to do is to Right, guys. Freaking belt. I think my Velcro came loose on my boot. Jesus Christ, this is got freaking snow on my boot. I know what most edgy teenagers do. Just a good old boot. Now let's see what the hell is in here. Alright. Alright, mates. Alright, bit of... Oh, it was stuck in the ice. Of course I knew. Of course, in here, didn't find nothing but the time where I really wanted to catch a wild bird. I could have used a Pokeball, but they don't have that here. All we have is cage. Shit. And so, let's return. We learned today, don't fuck with rusted tools, okay? I tried it and I didn't die, but I'll have to tell the tale. I'll have to tell it at least. This is Leviider. I'm Leviider. Pending to be signing out. Be signing out, and on my case. I don't know what's inside that cat carrier. For me trying to catch a wild bird, but I failed. Alright. If you like this one, why don't you hit that like and subscribe button. Comment below what part was funniest, or at least was the most amusing thing of the show. This is Leviider Games signing out. Peace.